Oh my days, it has been so long since I have filmed a video for YouTube. But hey guys, how y'all doing? Today I went to Walmart and I tore the clearance rack down. If you guys don't know, which you probably don't because I haven't posted to YouTube in over a year, I got a gastric sleeve surgery last December. So I have been rapidly losing weight. I am down a total of like 43 pounds. I started at 224 before my pre-op diet. And then after, well, it's been about 5 months since then. Actually, yeah, 5 months today, yeah, or tomorrow. 5 months yesterday since I had the surgery, and like I said, I'm down 43 pounds. So I am down to 181. Your girl is in a size large. Like, can you believe that? A size large. I can't even believe it, but it's just mind-blowing. It has been quite the experience in the sense of like the mental aspect, because when you are an extra large or an extra large, or you're so big for so long, you sort of you have body dysmorphia. Like, you feel like you're still that size even though you're not that size, and it's just really frustrating. So last weekend, me and my sister went to Goodwill and I tore the place down. When I tell you I tore down, I spent $174 on basically like a whole new wardrobe. I got tank tops, I got work tops, I got shorts, like, you know, casual shorts. I got capri pants, I got work shorts, I got work pants. Like, I really have to rebuild my wardrobe because I have given away, I'm not even kidding, besides Onyx's one bag, I have given away 8 large, like humongous black garbage bags of clothes. Winter clothes, fall clothes, summer clothes, spring clothes, like everything. Because as I was bringing up my clothes from the basement, because I switch out my summer and my winter clothes, as I was doing that, I was just taking out clothes. Because once I realized that I was in a size large, because I went to H&M about a month ago with my mom, and once I realized I was in a size large, I was like, there's no reason for me to hold on to these extra larges. And then I kept some extra larges because I'm like, oh, like, you know, that's really cute, I love it. And then I was like, no girl, you need to give it away. So I eventually just gave away all the extra larges, and that didn't leave me with a ton of clothes. So going to Goodwill, going to H&M, and then now Walmart, it's crazy. Also, I'm in a size 14 jean and pant. You guys, I was a size 20 in jeans. I can't, like, it's just, everything is just so mind-blowing. I'm very grateful to have had this surgery, but at the same time, my eyes are still larger than my stomach is, because when you get the, I think it's called vertical sleeve gastrectomy, when you get that surgery, what they do is they take like 70 to 80% of your stomach. So if your stomach is like this big, they shrink it down to the size of a banana. So now my stomach is the size of a banana, and that's all my stomach can hold. So if I overeat, I'll start to feel ill, or like really tightness in my stomach. And it's just a really uncomfortable feeling, because mentally I'm like, I can finish this plate. I've finished the plate my whole life. Now you can't. Like, you have to stop eating when your stomach, basically when you start to feel full, cut it off. You'll be hungry again, and well, personally myself, I'll be hungry again in about another 2 to 3 hours. Like, I eat every 2 to 3 hours. I usually get all 3 meals in, which is completely different than what it was for me before I had the surgery. So I'll usually have like some fruit or something small for breakfast. And I used to do shakes and like the Oikos, like yogurt drinks, the protein yogurt drinks. I used to do those all the time, especially right after surgery. And then I switched from that, and now I'll eat like fruit, maybe like a little piece of toast or something like that. And then for lunch, I'll have something small. And then dinner, I have whatever I'm making for dinner for everybody. But it's just on a way smaller scale, and it's just crazy. Also, one of the reasons I haven't been posting to YouTube is because this camera that I'm filming on now, which is my Sony ZV-1, it has been down for about a year. And at one point I turned it on and it was giving me some error code, and I was like, what is going on? And then I realized, or I charged it, I found the actual charger cord and then charged it up, and now it works. And I bought a DJI 3 Osmo Pocket whatever camera to replace this one. And now it doesn't need to be replaced because I'm filming on it. So I spent $600 unnecessarily, but neither here nor there. We're not talking about that right now, but I'm just so happy to have this camera back because I definitely want to vlog more. I do have Blazy's birthday vlog that I need to figure out how to get my video footage off of my DJI Pocket 3 video camera onto my laptop to edit. Enough chit-chatting. Can you tell I've missed you guys? I have missed posting to YouTube. I need to get back to posting to YouTube because as much as like TikTok and Instagram is like important, I feel like YouTube is like my bread and butter, and I need to get back on there. I have a lot of shorts I will be posting to YouTube, but like long form content I need to do. So let's get into the haul because that's what we're here for. Okay, these biker shorts, you guys, these were $1. Yeah, just a nice little cute biker short. Can't go wrong with that. $1, these gray ones. These black ones were, oh, these are large, extra large. These black ones were $3. They're a little bit longer. When I rung them up, because you guys know they do not put the prices on anything anymore. You remember when, okay, focus. When you would buy something, the bottom right here, it would be the price. They don't do that anymore. It's all on signs. So, of course, capitalism, the way that, or the reason they do that is because they can just hike the prices of clothes just randomly. Before, it would be whatever was on the tag. So if these said $7, the only way this was changing from $7 is if they slapped a clearance ticket on it. But now, since they don't put it at the bottom of the thing and they put it on a digitalized sign, they can just be like, oh, well, now we're gonna raise the price of those shorts from $7 to $8.95 whenever they want. Just take me out right now. These shorts were the most expensive things that I bought. Look at that. I think these were, of course there's no price on it. I think these were 16 or 18 bucks because I was about to take them off, but then I was like, okay girl, you kind of need a little cream jean, and I love the elastic. I got these in a size 12-14. I cannot button up 12s. I have a bunch of pants I got from Goodwill that are 12s, and I was just like, shouldn't have got that, but my mom was like, just hang them up, you can work into them, you're gonna get smaller. My doctor's goal weight for me is 155, so I am so close. Okay, these I thought were like tank dresses when I saw them, and I didn't realize it was in the men's section. And there was a man looking at the shirts, and I was like, oh my god, those are so cute. And he just looked at me, and him and his wife walked away. Whatever, don't give a fuck. So I got this in a men's medium, and I just plan to wear it with like those biker shorts underneath of it, and just, you know, kind of like an oversized tank slash tank dress moment, but with a little something underneath. And then the same with this one. This one was actually the one that I saw, the Rolling Stone. Yeah, that is cute. I'm obsessed with yellow right now. Butter yellow, regular yellow. Yellow and green are like my obsessions right now. Can't get over it. These gym shorts were $8.98, so $9. I really like this like buttery soft material. Very soft. Just, you know, a casual type of little short, you know, just throw on to go to the baseball game because my kids are playing baseball now. So I got those in that dark charcoal, almost black. And then I got some tanks or t-shirts. Very thin. And that's the difference, I think, between like Target and Walmart. Target's, they're whatever their brand is called, is a lot thicker of a material, and this is No Boundaries. If you know, you know. This feels a lot thinner, but neither here nor there. This was only $6, so can't complain too much. Also got a white one. Always need the basics. And then I got black and a yellow. So these I got on clearance. Oh, how cute. So cute. These were $7. I love the stripe. I love just like the short kind of, they're just cute. Just very cutesy. You can wear it with that butter yellow t-shirt. I actually picked up this tank. I think this tank was like $5. I picked up this to go with that so I could wear that. I also gave away all of my tank tops, like all of them. They were all size extra large or larger, so I gave away all of them. So I'm kind of like rebuilding. I'm really rebuilding my wardrobe with basic necessities like t-shirts and tank tops and shorts and casual shorts and work clothes and going out with my husband clothes, like date night clothes. So I'm really just rebuilding everything. And I don't even know how small I'm gonna get, so this might be happening all over again. So this is really like my last little like haul, because I don't want to buy too much and then I go down to a size medium. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't know. I have a coworker who's a bus driver that, love her down. She got the same surgery as I did. I think she got the bypass though, but she told me she's down to a small, and she was like a 2X. So for me, like if she got down to a small, can I get down to a small? I know she follows the diet a lot more strict. I don't really follow the diet. I eat basically everything that I ate before the surgery, just obviously in portions, moderation, but yeah. So I got these camo pants. These were on the clearance rack for $7, size 14. They have an elastic waist on the back, so I love that. But I just thought these were really cute, and I never had a pair of camo pants, so now I do. This little tank top was $3. I thought this was cute, just something cute to throw on, run out the door. I need some blue or yellow shorts to go with this. More of those like buttery soft shorts that were like $8 or something like that. Yeah, they were like $9. Got gray, and I got this like tannish purplish color. Tell me why this skirt was on the clearance rack for $11. When I rung it up, it was $3. $3, and look how cute. I love a good tennis skirt. Love, 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 love this with like a white like halter top or white tank top. Girl. Now these I got for work. These were $11. I don't understand why there's like an elastic waist, but they're just like brown linen pants. So you cannot go wrong with linen pants. Linen pants are always, always, always for me. And then I also got a yellow pair. I'm telling you guys, yellow is my color this season. My toes were just painted butter yellow, and now they are like a white silvery color. Child, I don't know, but I can't get over this color. And the very last thing that I purchased was this highlighter, yellow green. The camera's not doing its justice. Skirt, obviously for work. I'll wear this with like some type of white or black shirt and a cute little sandal, but it's pleated. It goes past my knee. It's just really simple and cute, and I got that. I will say that Walmart did have a lot of good things. They had like Levi jeans there. They had this new brand. I can't remember what it was called, but everything that they had out was so cute, but it was expensive. Like sweaters for like $28, short sleeve sweaters. What is going on with the world? Like, are we being for real? I really do not think we're being for real. Like, in what sense is a short sleeve button down like sweater shirt $28? $16 at most. Like, why am I paying $38 for bottoms? What is going on? Anyways, rant over, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting on here way more often. I definitely want to keep you guys updated with like my weight loss and stuff like that. I should have from the beginning, but if you missed that journey, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. That is where I posted the most about like starting weight and all of that. I need to post an update video on there actually too. But anyways, all of my socials are Lonyea Maiden. You can find me on Facebook, you can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.